Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to activate the sunrent scooters in Russia, Belarus, Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan. First of all, you need to select the country you live in and then give next. Then enter your local phone number over there, then your date of birth, and you need to enter your email address. Then it will ask you to take a selfie. So tap on take a selfie. Just take a picture of you. So once you take a selfie and you upload it, it will ask to link your card. So Visa card is more preferable over there. So enter your card details, and once you link the card, your card will be added to the sunrent app. You can see your card added in your profile. Just tap the scan code over your phone and just scan the QR code over the scooter. And once you scan your scooter, you can see each and every detail appear in the telephone, like the battery life of the scooter, how much kilometer it can travel, and you can select which mode is preferable to you, and you can enjoy the ride. Hope this video will be useful to you. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.